This was the trade we took today on the Dow Jones. Let me give you a quick breakdown. First of all, start with the 1 hour chart so we see what's happening. Damn guys, I'm looking white as a motherfucker. I'm looking like a ghost. Do not commit this mistake. This is a mistake. Do not stay in front of the charts all day long. Don't do it. Go to the beach, go enjoy life. Okay, today's Friday, I'm going to the beach, but now let's go for the breakdown. 1 hour chart. So Asia session right here. The price is coming into a downtrend, and then London session came, swept Asia highs right here. Boom, rejected. Look at these wicks. Powerful absorption. Gave me this beautiful order block right here. Smart. Check this green candle. Order block. So bearish order flow. Now we put on a 5 minutes to see the context. 9:30 right here. Market opens, New York session. The price break down in here with the breaker. I wanted to catch the trade right here, but I couldn't because it didn't give me the fair value gap, which gives me more confirmation about a powerful move. So I wait. The price came all the way down, made a pullback right here on the view up, and then break down again. And then repetition of patterns. I always talk about that right here. Check this one. Order block again. Beautiful. Boom. Breaker entry because the confirmation that I spoke about right here. Fair value gap. Let me get closer so you can have a look. Fair value gap. Powerful move. Gave me a confirmation. Now, bearish order flow. Another tip that I want to give it to you guys is this. Check the VIX, green VIX, stocks, everything super bearish. More confirmation, bearish order flow. So let's look for a bearish entry. Let's go for a short entry. And then we need the trigger, 1 minute. Same drill, guys, same drill. You check the context, blah, 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 and then you find the trigger. The trigger was right here. See, this was the fair value gap on the 5 minute. So you put it here on the 1 minute, right here with this breaker. Boom, breaker, fair value gap within, inside this breaker. This is one of my best entries, I love it. And then my entry was right here in this green arrow. Boom, right on the beginning of the fair value gap. Stop above the swing high for a 2-hour trade. It was right here, and I got out right here on the 2-hour. But I committed a mistake because in this strategy, I like to have a 3-hour risk to reward. So this mistake I want to talk to you guys. I don't want you guys committing this mistake because I was supposed to hold the trade for a 3-hour right here. On this green area was another bullish order block. But the problem was, right here on the NASDAQ and the S&P, it was sweeping a low. I cannot show you here. And then check this powerful move. Oh, so that scared me out. And you see, if I put my stop loss on the break even, I would be taking out on break even. I do not mess. Once I click my trade, I do not put on break even. I do not take partials. It's all or nothing. I like to let the mathematics and fucking statistics work in my favor. So once I have the plan, I plan the trade and I trade the plan. But today I committed a mistake because my emotions. Check the volume right here and this big pump. So what I thought, ooh, breaker entry probably is gonna just come back, do a pullback, and then it's gonna keep going high. It was a good analysis, but in the end, look what happened. The price stayed here, and then, boom, right here. Right on my 3-hour trade. It was supposed to be a 3-hour trade, and I got out with a 2-hour trade. Not bad. My minimum risk to reward is 2-hour, but the problem is, this is a beginner's mistake. This is an amateur mistake. You guys listen. But you have to put on a break even. You have to analyze. Do not analyze anything, guys. Don't analyze. The only analysis you have to do is, where is the institutional flow? Is bullish or bearish? Once you recognize that, you find a trigger, you click and you surf. You do not put on stop, break even, and you do not get emotional. Oh my God, 2R is too much. Now it's consolidating. Maybe it's gonna come back. It's too much, too much. Don't do it. If you plan 3R, or it's 3R, or you get stopped out. Because if you do that consistently, the math gonna work in your favor and you're gonna get paid. So this was a mistake. It was a winner trade, 2R. You guys must be thinking, oh, but that was a good trade. But it wasn't. A good trade, the perfect trade would be a 3R. So I want you guys to learn with my winnings and my losses. This was a winning, but I don't even consider a winning because I didn't follow the plan. And being a trader is not being right or making good trades. It's being consistent and super disciplined. That's our goal as traders, to become consistently profitable. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis for today. In fact, I passed my challenge, my first challenge. I'm so happy. I'm gonna post later on my social medias, Instagram, TikTok. If you wanna follow, please follow me, Kaique Trades, the same name as the YouTube. And I hope you guys enjoy. Today's Friday. Let's go to the beach. Let's go enjoy life. And Monday we will be back with more trades. I trade every day and I post every day on my socials. So if you guys wanna stay with me and follow the journey, subscribe, comment, and that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great weekend and I'll see you Monday.